In March 2011, an earthquake with a magnitude of 9 triggered a tsunami that devastated eastern Japan. The earthquake caused an explosion in the Fukushima nuclear power plant, resulting in the leakage of radioactive fumes and water. The people were terrified of this threat.
후쿠시마 원전 주변 20km 반경 안에 있었던 사람들은 밤새 방사능 검출 검사를 받았습니다.
While the tragedy in Japan was unfolding, Professor Kim Sung-ho and his team of researchers at Cheonam National University were testing the effects of Korean ginseng on animal tissue that was damaged by radiation. 2 lab mice were exposed to 12 gray levels of radiation. Only one of the mice was injected with Korean ginseng prior to the radiation exposure. A radiation of 12 gray is enough to damage the mice's small intestines. The small intestine undergoes continuous cell divisions to supply new cells to the intestinal villus. However, when the mice's tissue is exposed to radiation, the intestinal crypts that deliver new cells to the epithelium will be destroyed, leading to dehydration and electrolyte loss. The mice will not survive for more than a few days. Then what will happen to a mouse that was injected with Korean ginseng? While a mouse that was not injected with ginseng suffered severe damage to its intestinal crypt, the other mouse that received doses of ginseng suffered little damage to its cells. These results show that Korean ginseng is effective in reducing cell damage caused by radiation. The test results are welcomed by many cancer patients who undergo radiation therapy. Most cancer patients opt to have radiation therapy, but radiation beams not only kill malignant cells, but also harm the healthy cells that surround the tumor. Radiation therapy has numerous side effects, ranging from mild to acute.
방사선에 노출되고 나서 어떤 물질을 투여했을 때 효과가 있는 경우는 거의 없습니다. 방사선 장애 개선 물질을 찾을 때는 항상 그 예방 효과에 관심을 더 두고 있습니다. 인삼에 의미를 두는 것이 인삼이 저희들이 다른 몸에 다른 여러 가지 좋은 효과를 나타내고 있는 그런 약재이기 때문에 평소에 그런 것과 더불어서 방사선에도 효과를 나타낼 수 있다는 것이 큰 의미를 둘 수 있겠습니다.
The excellent healing properties of ginseng have been confirmed in many cases in Korea. So how is ginseng perceived in other countries? Canada is the top exporter of American ginseng. Do Canadians know what benefits Korean ginseng has? Gerald Hambley lives in Hamilton, Canada. He is a wine distributor who supplies wine to restaurants. Appearance-wise, he looks quite healthy, but he was once on the verge of dying.
Drank some wine. Dundee.
Dundee?
Yeah, it was nice.
Have you ever played Glendale?
Yeah.
I had open heart surgery 7 years ago. Yeah, I had 5 bypasses. What they did was they took 5 arteries from my arm and my leg and put them onto my heart.
He has scars from his operation. Even after receiving heart surgery, he was in poor health. Then one day he bought red ginseng from a health supplement store and saw dramatic changes in his health. His wife, a former nurse, has regularly checked his blood pressure for the last 7 years. His blood pressure once reached as high as 250, but now it has fallen to normal levels, enabling him to live a normal life.
Well, what it has done for me, it helped me decrease my drugs by 3 pills. Now I'm only on a couple pills a day.
After seeing improvements in his health, he was able to reduce his medication and return to the normal life he had before he was stricken with a heart condition. Gerald's wife makes sure that he gets a daily dosage of red ginseng.
Oh, thank you.
But could you conclude that Korean ginseng is effective in treating high blood pressure just by looking at Gerald's case? High blood pressure is a growing health problem in the world. According to a WHO report, the number of people with high blood pressure has increased dramatically to the point where 1 in 7 have it. That comes to 1 billion people. But there is a widely held perception that ginseng is harmful to people who have high blood pressure. Researchers at this hospital are disproving this notion.
So we found the great benefits of Korean red ginseng, but we also realized that there is a potential of Korean ginseng in regulation one other problem, not only diabetes, but this is problem with high blood pressure, what we call hypertension. And more recently, we start to look at Korean ginseng and what we call vascular health, which about over 30% of adult population have increased blood pressure. So we start to look at the Korean ginseng in what we call vascular health.
Dr. Vuksan and his team of researchers have already proven that Korean red ginseng is effective for regulating diabetes. Recently, he has carried out clinical trials of ginseng to see how it reduces high blood pressure. Previously, ginseng's effects on high blood pressure have only been tested on animals, so this is the first clinical trial with human volunteers.
So put your index fingers all the way to the bottom of the
The test volunteers will have their arterial stiffness measured after ingesting red ginseng.
Try as best you can to stay still. They're very sensitive.
The results showed a 4.6% decrease in arterial stiffness among the group that took red ginseng in comparison to the other controlled group. This strongly indicates that red ginseng reduces blood pressure.
And we found that actually ginseng extract and ginseng root were the only one affecting these parameters, what we call augmentation index, which is measure of arterial stiffness. So we don't want our artery to be stiffed because they affect blood pressure. And also, so extract and Korean ginseng affect this. Polysaccharide from ginseng and control did not have effect. So that compared to these two. So that's showing that just regular ginseng in this preliminary study, that regular ginseng and extract of ginsenoside may affect vascular health, in this case arterial stiffness and blood pressure.
These clinical trials were given to healthy people without high blood pressure, and they still showed a reduction in arterial stiffness. Therefore, a person with high blood pressure would show an even higher reduction when given red ginseng. Korean ginseng has been proven to be effective in countering radiation, high blood pressure, and many more areas.
그 고려현삼은 주로 그 면역력 증진이라든가 혹은 피로 회복 그리고 이 혈행 개선이라든가 학습 효과 증진에 효과가 있다는 것이 이미 우리 나라 그 식약청에서 인정을 해줬습니다. 그 외에도 여러 가지 고혈압이라든가 혹은 콜레스테롤 혹은 다이옥신이라든가 방사성, 예방 등 약 50여 종 질병에 대해서 많은 학자들이 이미 보고를 한 바가 있습니다.
More than 1,000 research papers have been written about ginseng, and many new ginseng studies are taking place. Living in Canada, Mr. Mullen makes ginseng tea with red ginseng extract, honey, and lemon. He makes tea as soon as he gets up in the morning. He has been drinking red ginseng for 9 years already.
You gotta drink yours. You're not drinking.
This habit began years ago when his son, who is now 27, suffered an athletic injury. His son Ryan was a triathlete champion who competed in Ironman competitions and had a bright future ahead of him. But his career suddenly ended after he suffered a serious injury in a competition. It was then that he found out about Korean ginseng, which improved his health.
What's that?
This is my Gatorade. Red ginseng. Pure red ginseng with a little bit of water, and sometimes I throw some honey in it as well just to get a little bit of some natural sugars in you too.
After taking regular doses of ginseng, he recovered from his injury, and although he doesn't compete anymore, he is able to exercise daily. He always carries ginseng extract instead of water when he exercises.
Yeah, I've been, like I said, drinking ginseng for about 9 years or so, 8-9 years, and it helps me obviously with endurance. It gives me a lot of energy to push harder, and I've also noticed a reduction in cramps and muscle spasms, which is all help naturally to the increased circulation, which I feel it does for me.
This vast field of American ginseng seems to extend to the horizon. Waterford, Canada was the first place in North America that began growing American ginseng. How is this type of ginseng grown and exported? American ginseng takes 120 days to grow compared to 180 days for Korean ginseng. Taking a glance at American ginseng, it is shaped differently from Korean ginseng. It does not have multiple root extensions and takes 60 fewer days to grow to full size compared to Korean ginseng. And farm machinery is used to cultivate the ginseng instead of growing it by hand.
The drums and the boxes are for, they all go to Hong Kong.
The American ginseng grown here is exported to Hong Kong in bulk.
That's the way that.
%70 of the global market for ginseng is bought and sold in Hong Kong. This TV crew flew to Hong Kong to see the flow of the ginseng trade. As the epicenter of the worldwide ginseng trade, Hong Kong sets the prices for ginseng. Which are then accepted as the international market price. We followed a seller to a warehouse stocked with American ginseng. American ginseng is imported in huge quantities and processed in factories that can make as many as 50 different ginseng-derived products. On the other hand, Korean ginseng imports are usually finished ginseng products.
그 벌크에 관련돼 가지고 등록 그런 문제를 한번 수십 번 얘기한 것 같습니다. 그런데도 그게 5년 전에 얘기할 때나 지금이나 얘기할 때나 똑같습니다. 그러니까 전혀 솔직히 옆에서 이렇게 보기에 진척이 전혀 없는 겁니다. 그러니까 그런 부분이 너무 막 이렇게 좀 답답하기도 하고 안타깝기도 하고 그러는 가운데서 이렇게 서양삼은 자꾸 이 시장을 잠식하고 있고.
물론 고려인삼은 품질이 좋아서 사실 고가로 팔리는데, 그러나 상인 입장에서 보면은 한국 고려인삼은 규격화 이렇게 딱 돼 있어서 소포장 단위가 어렵습니다. 근데 이 화기삼은 100kg, 50kg 이렇게 크게 벌크 형태로 수출을 하다 보니까 홍콩 상인들이 벌크로 가지고 와서 소량으로 분배해가지고 판매를 하게 되니까 마진이 아주 높습니다.
Due to the different way it is sold, Korean ginseng is at a disadvantage compared to American ginseng. But there is another issue. It is the false rumor that Korean ginseng raises a person's body temperature.
会啊，就是每一年呢，它就是秋天以后到冬天，中国人呢就是夏天呢怕火气大，他不敢吃。夏天和冬天差不多，冬天呢就是太干燥，人家也喜欢泡一点西洋解发剂生茶来喝，这个也影响不大。就是唯一影响的话，就是高丽参夏天卖的比較少。
熱底個人咧，弱啊，即係好怕凍啊，好怕凍嗰啲人咧，很怕冷啊，嗰啲人咧就高麗參咧食咗咧就唔會咁凍啦。我哋就好怕熱咧，很熱啦，不要吃啊。
夏天吃可不可以？
不可以。
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 Almost everyone believes that Korean ginseng should not be eaten in the summer. To better gauge how prevalent this perception is, this TV crew visited Hong Kong, China, and Vietnam. Half the respondents of a survey, which was about 157 people, had heard that Korean ginseng makes the body warmer. Since Southeast Asia has a hot climate, any added heat is undesirable. When asked where they heard about the warm properties of Korean ginseng, 101 said that it was a widely circulated belief.
중화권이나 동남아 시장에는 고려인삼에 대한 승열 작용으로 인해서 여름철에는 소비가 줄고 겨울철로 갈수록 소비가 확대되는 것으로 지금 파악되고 있습니다.
Between the years 2008 and 2010, exports of Korean ginseng dropped during the spring and summer seasons in Hong Kong. This baseless rumor was hurting sales.
如果夏天比较热的时候，如果吃那个高丽参的话，会不会上火？
會上火，會上火。
會上火。
喺東南亞一半我多數都係食花旗參，佢高麗參唔啱，新加坡、印尼嗰度品，泰國。
Advertisements promoting American ginseng and the Chinese media continuously claim that Korean ginseng raises body temperature. In ginseng-growing Wisconsin, the American Ginseng Association there claims that American ginseng raises body heat, and the same claim is made by a Canadian alternative medicine website.
화기삼은 인체 열을 낮춘다. 혹은 그 노약자들도 안심하고 이렇게 먹을 수 있는 것이다. 이런 그 홍보죠, 일종의. 과학적으로 증명되지는 않았지만은.
What is said in Chinese medicine textbooks in regard to Korean ginseng, which American ginseng distributors claim to have heat-producing properties? After confirming that these rumors were coming from China, this TV crew paid a visit to Beijing University of Chinese Medicine, one of the most prestigious institutions of higher learning in China. There are many textbooks about Chinese medicine, but which one is the authoritative reference book?
出的第一本，中国人认为是第一本药学专著，就是《神农本草经》。但是所有的书，不管从这个朝代到这个朝代，还是到后面的朝代，全部讲的它都是无毒，人参是无毒的。
많은 종류의 이제 본초서들이 그 중국에서 나오는데 모두 이제 이 책을 그 모델로 해가지고 그 본초서들이 만들어지거든요. 그래서 이제 그런 의미에서 중국의 본초학, 뭐 약물학과 관련돼서 가장 그 중요한 그리고 이제 가장 그 모델이 되는 이제 그런 책이라고 할 수 있겠습니다.
Shenong Ben Cao Jing is the earliest Chinese book on medicinal plants and is widely referenced by other Chinese medicine books. So what does the textbook say about ginseng? It has a sweet taste with a cold property. In the Shenong Ben Cao Jing text, ginseng is said to have a cold property. What does it say in other Chinese texts? According to the Mingyi Bilu, or supplementary records of famous physicians written by Tao Hongjing, ginseng is slightly warm and has no poison. The book refers to ginseng as being slightly warm. Many other Chinese medicine books have references about ginseng's property, but for some reason there is no consistency in whether ginseng is warm or cold. Different textbooks make different claims. Why do these textbooks make opposite statements?
경우에 따라서는 그 한 가지 성질만 실리는 뭐 그런 경우도 있는데, 그건 아마도 이제 그 약을 쓰는 사람의 어떤 경험이나 이제 뭐 그런 것들이 반영이 돼서 어떤 책에다가 이렇게 이제 기록을 했을 그런 뭐 가능성은 있다고 생각을 합니다.
Some ancient Chinese medicine texts say ginseng has a warm property, while others say it possesses a cold property. The scholars in the field of Chinese medicine weigh in about ginseng's properties.
是这样，人参它无毒是表现为说它对人体没有什么伤害，适当吃吧，适当吃，对，南方人喜欢补，对，特别广东人是这样。 我对他们没有什么看法，没有什么意见。
There is no reference to Korean ginseng raising the body's temperature in ancient Chinese texts. Neither does the Zhiyuan Hospital of the China Academy of Chinese Medical Sciences support this assertion. So is there any scientific proof that ginseng has a warm property? Experts in ginseng have gathered to embark on a long-term project to get to the bottom of this. Clinical trials were carried out in South Korea and abroad. The objective was to find any correlation between ginseng and a rise in body temperature. Professor Park Hyun and a team of researchers at Kyunghee University initiated clinical trials to see what effects Korean ginseng had on the human body in terms of body temperature. 40 male and female volunteers enrolled as students at Kyunghee University participated in the clinical trial. Prior to the testing, the volunteers were asked questions about their medical history. White ginseng, red ginseng, American ginseng, and digestive pills were used in the test. The test subjects were given a weekly dose of one type of ginseng or pill at a time in the course of 4 weeks. The objective of the test was to find out what effects the ginseng and pill had on the controlled group. The blood circulation and body temperature of each test subject was measured before they ingested the ginseng or pill, and the same measurements were taken afterwards 4 more times in 30 and 60-minute intervals. Using an ear thermometer, the test subject's body temperature was measured after they ingested ginseng. An infrared thermal system was used to measure changes in body heat. One test subject showed no change in body temperature in 30-minute intervals, but the distribution of heat on the surface of his body shifted.
등 전체를 크게 찍어봤을 적에는 이게 복용 전, 그 다음에 복용 1시간 이후입니다. 그런데 큰 차이는 없었고요. 다만 이제 여기서 살펴볼 수 있다는 것은 아무래도 이 체 표면에 대한 혈류가 조금은 개선이 되지 않았나, 혈행이. 그래서 전반적으로 이렇게 밝아진 부분, 즉 온도가 조금 오르는 쪽으로 나타난 부분들이 이렇게 있었다. 그렇지만 이거는 어디까지나 말초 혈류에 대한 부분이고 체온에 대해서 유의한 변화는 없었다고 얘기할 수 있겠습니다.
In the clinical trial, there was no significant change in heat on the subject's skin. In order to see how blood circulates in the body, the infrared thermal system scanned the hand of the test subject. The reason why the human hand is scanned instead of other areas was because it has the highest concentration of peripheral blood vessels.
좀 차갑다는 느낌을 제가 만져도 좀 느낄 때가 있습니다.
아, 손발이 좀 찬 편인가요?
손발이 좀 찬 편입니다.
One student subject who claimed to have colder hands than a normal person ingested red ginseng. In the beginning, the subject's hand was blurry under the thermal scanner. When 60 minutes had elapsed, the outline of the subject's hand was clearly defined in the scan image. Likewise, other test subjects also had blurry scanned images at the start, but after 60 minutes, their hands were clearly visible.
말초 혈관의 확장이 나타났기 때문에 이 말초 부위, 말단 부위에 대한 혈액 공급이 좋아졌다 하는 것은 확인할 수가 있었던 것 같습니다.
Why does a person feel warmer after ingesting ginseng when no actual change in body temperature has taken place? It turns out that this warm sensation is a brief after effect from robust blood circulation. Professor John Hee-suk of the Gachon University of Medicine and Science and a team of researchers study how ginseng affects the body's metabolism and the role of pyrogens. To reduce the stress the mouse experiences whenever test data is manually collected, a microchip is inserted into the mouse to wirelessly relay data. This microchip will send back a real-time data feed of the mouse's body temperature. This metabolic cage is advanced lab equipment that allows researchers to measure energy metabolism, including oxygen intake, weight change, caloric intake, exercise levels, and body temperature. The mouse inserted with a microchip will be put inside the cage and given white ginseng, red ginseng, and American ginseng. There were no changes in the mouse's body temperature when given different types of ginseng.
인삼을 투여한 생리에서 보시다시피 신부 체온은 대조군에 비해서 큰 차이가 없이 상승이 없었습니다.
What about the mouse's blood pressure? Did it change? A tail cuff is attached to the mouse's tail to measure its blood pressure, but the tail cuff attachment causes stress levels to spike in the mouse, affecting its blood pressure reading. So the mouse is trained to get used to the COTA system for a week, after which a reading is taken. The reading showed that blood pressure stayed the same even after the mouse was given doses of white ginseng, red ginseng, and American ginseng. Several genetic factors can also affect body temperature. Using a serum, temperature changes caused by genetic factors were measured through enzyme and blood analyses. No purposive changes caused by genetics were detected. After a range of tests was done, no changes were found in energy consumption or an increase in mouse activity, but there were signs of an increase in activity in the mouse that was given red ginseng.
지금까지 실험한 결과로는 저희가 이제 체내의 그 온도를 실시간으로 측정해 봤을 때 세 가지 인삼 간의 차이가 없는 걸로 나타났고요. 그다음에 거기에 관련된 인자들을 살펴봤을 때도 차이가 없었고, 또한 이제 혈압과 그다음에 이런 혈압에 그 영향을 미칠 수 있는 이제 삼투압에 관련된 인자들을 봤을 때도 이 세 가지 그룹 간의 차이가 없는 걸로 저희들은 이제 결과를 보았습니다.
Humans need a lot of energy when exercising. Even sweating requires energy. When the body releases heat, it means it needs more energy. and energy is supplied by the mitochondria inside cells. Professor Park In-sun of the College of Medicine at Inha University hypothesizes that energy would be created within the body's cells if the body became warmer due to ginseng. So he closely observes cells to detect any change in energy levels. Mitochondria is an organelle at the cellular level, which is like a power plant.
우리 몸의 거의 90%, 99% 정도의 에너지가 다 미토콘드리아에서 만들어지니까 만일에 인삼을 먹었을 때 우리가 원치 않은 그런 반응, 비정상적인 또는 불편한 어떤 그런 반응이 나타난다 그러면 우리 몸에서 특히 그 세포 내에서 에너지 메타볼리즘의 에너지 대사작용에 아주 중요한 역할을 하는 그런 세포 소기관인 미토콘드리아의 어떤 변화가 있을 수가 있겠다.
If body heat is generated by ingesting ginseng, then it would require some sort of energy. For energy to be created by body cells, the mitochondria has to produce ATP. So measuring changes in ATP levels will show if energy is generated or not. Test results of ATP showed no change in the body when white ginseng, red ginseng, and American ginseng were ingested.
가장 기초적인 그 차원에서는 화기삼이나 고려인삼이나 에너지의 어떤 그 이 대사작용에서는 전혀 차이를 보이고 있지 않는 거죠.
Korean researchers who engaged in clinical trials in Korea visited Vietnam to conduct an experimental study for the first time. Vietnam has a hot climate where daytime temperatures can exceed 40 degrees Celsius. Do people who live in hot climates also eat ginseng? Vietnam's Lan Ong market has over 100 shops that sell medicinal herbs. Korean ginseng products were on the shelves of these stores. As Vietnam's economy grows, the market for ginseng is growing as well. In a department store that attracts upper middle class shoppers, Korean ginseng is sold as a premium product. As the consumer market grows, interest in Korean ginseng has also increased. Wider awareness of the benefits of Korean ginseng have fueled sales.
앞으로의 인삼 사업이라든가 건강식품 시장에 대해서는 베트남은 아주 지대하게 발전하리라 저는 보고 있습니다. 이렇다면 뭐 한 향후 2년 내에 100개 이상 매장의 점포가 우리 늘어나지 않을까 하는 생각을 가지는데요. 뭐 이건 절대적으로 100개 이상 충분히 된다고 봅니다. 저는.
Korean ginseng exports to Vietnam have increased every year. And Vietnam has risen to become the 6th largest market for Korean ginseng exports. At one hospital in Hanoi, Vietnam, to see if there is any truth to the notion that people who live in hot climates should refrain from eating ginseng, a 3-month clinical trial was carried out among the locals.
고련삼을 복용을 하게 되면은 열을 올려서 좋지 않다. 고련삼은 아주 추운 지역에 이럴 때만 먹어야 된다는 복용해야 된다. 이러한 잘못된 어떤 그 인식 때문에 이것을 과학적으로 구명하기 위해서 또 앞으로 인삼의 수요가 급격히 늘어날 가능성이 있는 베트남의 더운 지역을 선택을 했습니다.
172 Vietnamese volunteers were divided into 4 controlled groups. Different groups were given different kinds of ginseng or digestive pills over 3 months. To make the test as objective as possible, the volunteers were not told which red pill contained which type of ginseng. And the volunteers were first given checkups to ensure they were in good health. Their blood pressure, pulse, and other vital signs were examined by a professional. This test was groundbreaking, given the fact that no studies on ginseng properties have been carried out for such an extended period, with a large sample of test subjects. In addition, it is the first time a Korean research study was conducted in a Southeast Asian nation, which possesses a hot and humid climate. Volunteers were tested with an electrocardiogram, and the speed of their blood circulation was measured. After this, any changes in their surface body heat was also measured. So far, the tests have not revealed any changes in surface body heat when volunteers ingested white ginseng, red ginseng, or American ginseng. The speed of blood circulation showed a small increase among all test subjects in the beginning, but decreased later on. Neither were there any changes in the pulse of the test subjects.
체표면 온도라든지 혈류 속도라든지 등등 모든 그 조사한 내용들이 고려인삼과 화기삼 간에 별 차이가 없기 때문에 더운 지역에 계신 분도 고려인삼을 안심하고 복용해도 되지 않겠나 이렇게 말씀드릴 수가 있습니다.
인삼은 예를 들어서 독삼탕이라는 처방이 있는데 더위를 먹었을 때는 오직 인삼만 달여서 더위 먹은 사람의 체온을 떨어뜨리는 작용을 하기도 합니다.
The study proved that people who live in hot climates like Vietnam do not generate more body heat after ingesting Korean ginseng. Then how do people who live in cold climates respond after ingesting ginseng? To carry out this test, clinical trials on animals were conducted. Professor Kang Dong-ho of Kyunghee University and a team of researchers categorized people who had warmer body temperatures but lived in hot climates as one group, while the other group were people who have colder body temperatures and lived in cold climates. He then assigned mice to correspond to each group. First, one mouse was put in a warm chamber. This mouse would represent the human group that live in hot climates. Both groups of mice were given digestive pills, white ginseng, red ginseng, and American ginseng. The mouse that was warmed in the chamber is taken out. It is tested to see if it has a warmer body temperature. After this, it received a dose of ginseng. Then the mouse was returned to the warm chamber and its body temperature was checked at 10-minute intervals to see if the ginseng had any effect. How do mice in cold conditions react to ginseng? A mouse was put in a refrigerated room to lower its body temperature. This mouse represents the human group that live in cold climates. After a certain period, the mouse's body temperature was checked. It maintained a slightly lower body temperature than a normal mouse. The lab researcher gives a dose of ginseng to the mouse. Its body temperature is checked at 10-minute intervals as well. No changes in body temperature were detected in the mouse after it was given doses of white ginseng, red ginseng, and American ginseng. The mice that were kept at room temperature and in warm temperatures showed no changes either.
저체온 모델, 정상체온 모델, 고체온 동물 모델에서 고려 인삼은 체온을 증가시키는 결과를
나타내지 않았습니다. 또한 고려인삼과 화기삼을 비교하였을 때 고려인삼이 화기삼보다 동물 실험에서 체온을 증가시키는 결과를 또한 나타내지 않았습니다.
In these clinical trials, none of the test volunteers showed any changes in surface body temperature or blood circulation after taking Korean ginseng. Thus, the conclusion can be made that Korean ginseng does not generate heat in the body. There was a slight increase in blood circulation caused by the expansion of peripheral blood vessels. And no genetic factors were identified as causing an increase in body temperature. So these clinical trials scientifically proved that Korean ginseng does not raise body temperatures. But proving this does not necessarily mean it will rehabilitate Korean ginseng's image. This is merely one tiny step.
세계 인삼 엑스포의 개막을 엄석히 선언합니다.
The 2011 Gumsan World Ginseng Expo was held in Korea to boost the competitiveness of Korean ginseng in foreign markets. To make inroads in new markets, the expo is one approach in reaching this goal. Holding events like these are important, but the industry needs to secure a competitive advantage over its competitors. What does the industry need to do?
작물에 있어서 한 품종을 개발하는 데 있어서는 6작기를 필요로 합니다. 인삼과 같은 경우에서는 한 작기가 4년입니다. 그렇기 때문에 인삼은 24년이 소요된다고 보기 때문에 어떤 작물보다도 어려운 작물입니다.
Kyunghee University Lab of Hanbang Bio has developed a new ginseng strain called K1, and it shows great promise. Their 24-year effort to crossbreed a new strain of ginseng has finally shown results. It will take a competitor 24 years to develop a new ginseng strain if they were to embark on such a project right now. Thus, it is important that Korea create standards for new ginseng strains and use branding to market them to other countries.
그동안 앞서 연구해왔던 그런 연구 결과를 최대한 이용해가지고 최고급의 명품 인삼을 제조함으로써 새로운 브랜드 싸움으로 나아간다면은 우리가 이 애국을 이길 수 있는 그런 여건이 되지 않을까 이렇게 생각합니다.
The rumor that Korean ginseng generates heat is not a widely held belief that emerged only recently. But no efforts were made to counter these misperceptions until now. Scientific testing has proven that Korean ginseng does not raise body temperatures. What lies ahead for the industry is the most pressing matter. Raising the income of Korean ginseng growers and developing new ginseng strains that can endure climate change are steps that will make the domestic ginseng industry more competitive. Positioning Korean ginseng as a premium product is another step in the right direction. When all of this is achieved, then Korea will be able to regain its crown as the premier grower of ginseng.